when people start to ask, I see prices rising, I see mortgage rates rising, I know it's going to cost more to buy a home. Is this a good time to buy a home? The answer is think about what's at stake, because with prices projected to rise, it's the equity that's at stake. And this is huge. I think this is one of the most powerful visuals that you can share when we talk about, is it a good time to buy? What this does is it projects out equity over the next 5 years for the person who has purchased a medium priced home in January of 2022. So this says if you bought a $360,000 home in January of 2022, so that medium price, and you apply projected home price appreciation over the next 5 years to that home, what you gain to earn or what you potentially gain to lose if you wait and don't buy a home is almost $100,000 in equity. That's huge. And so it's really important as people start to ask, is this a good time to buy a home? This is such a powerful visual to share.